एक्स्ट्रोसिस, मेजेरियम में एक्स्ट्रोसिस है, अब देखे होंगे वहां पर पढ़े होंगे बोन में। What is extrosis? And extrosis is a benign, non-cancerous bone tumor. The plural from the extrosis is extrosis. Extrosis are the benign bone tumors that forms on the tip of your existing bone tissue. In other words, there are bumps of the bone that grow out of the one of your bones. हड्डियों पर बम्प्स निकल जाना, ग्रो कर जाना, that is the extrosis. ठीक है। What is the cause of extrosis? हमको cause exciting disease, exciting from खोजना है। The most common causes of extrosis includes injuries, damage to bone can make it regrow incorrectly and form of extrosis, health condition, some condition like osteoarthritis and spinal stenosis cause extra wear and tear of your bone. This stress can load in extrosis growing near that irritation. मैंने चोट लग जाने के बाद और किसी तरह बोन डैमेज हुआ और कैसे भी करके वहां पर रीग्रो किया। What is the another name of the extrosis? Extrosis is also called osteoma. Osteoma is a benign growth of the new bone on the top of the existing bone. It can occur in many parts of the body. कहीं पर भी हो सकता है, कान में, जहां भी हड्डी रहेगा वहां पर होगा। लेकिन एक बात को समझ लेना सबसे बढ़िया, the extrosis is covered with cartilage. It is called as a osteochondroma. अगर हड्डी ऊपर डायरेक्ट उठा हुआ दिख रहा है, that is the extrosis. हड्डी के ऊपर अगर कार्टिलेज है, it is osteochondroma. लेकिन हमें इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है, जस्ट मैं जानने के लिए बता रहा हूं। इस तरह कभी भी मिसगाइड मत होना। हमें कॉज और एलिमेंट्स मिला, वो ट्यूमर मांस के नीचे हो या ये हो, हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं, वो हमें ठीक करेगा। What is the cause of extrosis? Extrosis are most commonly found in people with a history of cold water exposure. However, this bony overgrowth can also occur in the people with no prior to water history. Multiple smooth, round, bony overgrowth are seen and often in the both ears. कानों में भी, टेम्पल में भी ग्रो कर जाता है, उसके लिए भी। Extrosis are one of the most common benign tumor seen in approximately 3% of the population. Extensions are the result of displaced growth plate cartilage, which causes lateral bone growth from the metaphysical region. Where is the extrosis located? The extrosis is an extra growth of the bone that extend outward from an existing bone. Common type of extrosis include bone spur, जो हिल स्पर में देखा जाता है, which are bony growth, also known as osteophytes, and extrosis can occur on any bone, but is often found in the feet, hip region or ear canal. ठीक है? Now we come here for the treatment. इसको तुम गांठ मान दो। Here this is a hint of drugs. For your selection will be the drugs. Select the medicine on the totality of symptoms. Please do not select the medicine on disease wise. Okay? Select the drugs from the constitution and physical symptoms. Okay? ये हमारा प्रिंसिपल है। जानना जरूरी है कि रास्ता कहां जाता है, लेकिन हमें अपने हिसाब से करना है। ठीक? What are the drugs on extrosis? The first choice of drugs: Aurum, calciferol, heclalawa, phosphoric acid, aurum met, mercurius, phosphorus and silicium. This is the first graded medicine. Second choice: Emonfroid, argent metallicum, baritophorus, calciacar, calciaphos, cupromphos, dalcamara, ferramide, fluoric acid, fluoric puratum, calyphor, kaliiod, lithium, Palladium, mercurius, mercurius fibers, megaerium, natrum plus nitric acid, plumbum, plumbum aceticum plus ruta and surface. When suppressed eruption, after that is ectasis is there, then you think sulfur. Injury after bone injury, you think calculus floor. पेनफुल एक्सोसिस, बहुत दर्द है उस गांठ में. देन ऑरम डेफिना कालियाइड मर्कुरियस एंड सिफिलिस. If the tumor is syphilitic, fluoric acid, hyper and mercurius. Okay? But in my experience, calculus for the top grade of the medicine. It is a leading medicine in homeopathy for the dissolving extra bony growth, bone spurs. It is well indicated for bony overgrowth of the feet, knees and fingers. Next, it is indicated for such growth on head, back and ribs. Ectasis that occurs after a bone injury is also immediately of use. That is, the qualitative form is bone injury. Then think the calculus floor. Okay? सब जगह यूज करोगे नहीं काम करेगा. Hecla lava for bony outgrowth on the jaw, head and legs. It is the next important medicines having marked action on the bones. This medicine works well in cases of overgrowth of bone, occurring especially on the jaw, head and legs, causes bone growth over upper jaw from injury. Respond well to this medicine. In this case, the upper jaw may be painful to touch. In legs, mostly growth on the tibia bone cause for using this medicine. Severe condition pain may be felt in the leg in these cases. Apart from the above, it gives good result in case of ectasis on the fingers. Fingers में अगर ectasis है तो अच्छा यूज करते हैं. Second is oral mat for ectasis on skull, pelvis and arms and legs. This medicine is prominent to treat cases in which the bone overgrowth mostly on the skull bone, boring type of pain attended. It worsens from the touch. The bone may be outgrow the bones of the pelvis. It also may be occur to the arms and the legs where this medicine is required. Third is phosphorus. When bone overgrowth occurs on skull, spine and lower limbs. Phosphorus का totality मिलना चाहिए. Phosphorus is the beneficial medicine for the dissolved bony overgrowth that arise on the skull, spine and lower limbs. In case of the lower limbs, the bone growth is in the femur bone, present in thigh, tibia bone in the legs, while in the skull involvement the extra bone forms of the frontal and occipital bones. Marsol. और the skull ectasis attended with soreness. उसको बहुत छूने से बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द देता है. It is very useful medicine for ectasis of the skull bone attended with soreness to the touch, worsening of pain at night at bed may also be present. Sometimes is a peculiar sensation of ulceration accompanies. मैंने कभी-कभी मार्शल अल्सरेशन के जैसे दर्द होता है कि मानो उसमें घाव हो गया हो. Second is fluoric acid for bone growth in the face and head. Use of this medicine is considered when the bony outgrowth occur in the head of the bones of the face. Ectasis which painful, especially at night, also a characteristic of the symptom is due. Fluoric acid में और ट्यूमर में पेन रहेगा और पेन हो जनरली रात को ही होगा, दिन में ठीक रहेगा. मेजेरियम जो अभी हम लोग पढ़े for the pain of the head from bone overgrowth in skull. This medicine prepared from the fresh bark gathered in the just before the plant flowers of the plant, definitely also known as the spergolic. It belongs to the family of Thamsaceae. In cases needing in pain, head in present from the extra bone growth to the skull bone. The skull bones is elevated in many places. Rastex is one of the very good medicine for this ectasis. For ectasis of the sacrum and bone of the arm. It is helpful for painful occurring on the sacrum, a terminal bone at the base of the vertebral column. It is also a significant medicine for the new bone growth occurring in the bones of the arm. Along with this is a burning sensation of maybe फेल्ट इन द आर्म्स। एक तो केस था स्पाइन का, मेरा इसी से ठीक हो गया, लेकिन हम रेस्टर दूसरे चीज के लिए दिए थे, लेकिन वो ठीक हो गया। देन यू थिंक एंगोस्ट्रा फॉर एक्सट्रेसिस ऑफ द लोअर जॉ, urgent metacardium for exegesis of the skull, Staphylococcus for the bone outgrowth in the fingers and toes, symphytum outgrowth of the behind the heel, हिल के पीछे साइड के अगर ग्रो कर गया है, symphytum टेलन का 1 डोज ही काफी है। ओके, थैंक यू।
We are providing 6 months practical clinical training for BHMS graduates, and that will actually help you to become a good practitioner. So you're welcome to join.